The FlexCNC fourth axis is an optional rotary axis designed to add rotational movement to the machining process, allowing multiple faces of a part to be machined in a single setup. Without a fourth axis, machining multiple faces often requires stopping the job, removing the part, refixturing, and re-establishing alignment before machining can continue. The fourth axis keeps the part securely fixtured while rotating it as needed throughout the program. This reduces handling time, improves positional accuracy, and minimizes the alignment issues commonly associated with repositioning long or complex parts. The FlexCNC fourth axis is ideal for manufacturers machining tubular, extruded, or multi-sided components where setup efficiency, repeatability, and throughput are critical. Because the FlexCNC is built on a long bed platform, multiple fourth axis units can be configured on a single machine, allowing operators to run identical parts for increased production output or different parts within the same machining cycle.